Hello po, ako po si Philmore
And
and
girly po.
Girly. Salamat sa Panginoon sa napakagandang experience naming naranasan dito po sa Lazori Hotel. Ang masasabi ko po ay 100% na okay po yung lugar, ang mga staff, coordinators, mababait po and solid po. Ang price, solid ang lugar, napakaganda at masarap ang mga pagkain. Kaya thank you so much po, Lazori Hotel.
Ako po, sa part ko, I would like to thank yung lahat po na nag-asikaso sa akin. Unang-una kay Ms. Zai, na una ko yung agent, and of course, to Sir John Dom. And syempre, sa aming coordinator, kay Ma'am Zaiden. She's really, really helpful from zero to they really are there for us. So, hindi po talaga kami nahirapan. As in lahat, even though last minute yung aming mga pag-send ng kinakailangan namin. But then, they try to manage everything, and praise God, kasi po lahat from A to Z, no, is naging maayos po yung reception, yung ceremony, at from the day na nag-book kami, so payments and so on and so forth. So, hindi po sila mahirap kausap. They are very easy to deal with. And thank you so much kasi very open din sila. Hindi kami naharapan sa mga ganong bagay. Though, of course, there are some policies but they're not really restricted into that. So, as long na makapag-usap po kayo ng maayos. And of course, we are inviting everyone, no? Sa mga couples na gusto magpakasal. So, kami in-encourage namin kayo to help, no? That special event here in Lazuri
Yes.
Hotel, no? So, sabi nga po ni bro, they're 100% guaranteed, no? Praise
May
God.
5% kami doon.
Salamat po, and thank you so much sa lahat ng staff ng Lazuri Hotel. Thank you.
you po, and God
God
bless.
bless.